Hello guys, this is Hugo again with a new tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit your Instagram photos using Lightroom, just so you could achieve a similar warmer look like Travis Scott's Instagram, whose photographer also happens to be way corrupt-minded, so you should definitely check him out guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into Lightroom. So here in Lightroom, the first thing you need to do to achieve this look would be moving the temperature slider to make it look warmer, since this is one of the key points for this look. Me personally, I love highlights, so I can't edit a photo without using that slider. I'm sorry guys. Then raise the shadows and the whites a little bit, not too much. Something very important will be to desaturate the yellows, only that. You won't touch the sharpness because overly sharp pictures don't make sense to get this style. But what you will do is add grain. And that is it guys. I suggest you to actually use all cameras to get this type of feeling in your photos, just as I did. So if you want to know which type of camera did I use, I'll leave the link down below. See you next time.